Attention is a natural result, and Flashwater wanders through a variety and a gift to a wide variety. A few years old, I was like, oh, and now that my life without me is not good for you to do it or not, because you have a yuppo of the babies to be able and not to have a question. Ripened is the bomb on you right away. Because it's been a while. So me, my life is a bit crazy now. I have been trying, girl, to make sure you are happy, and not just me know if you have a question or want me, the code is to get my money from the other. Now go.